welcome to my video. And in this video I'm going to cover a very important concept in computer science and data structures, infix to postfix conversion, and then postfix expiration evaluation, both using stacks in Java. This is a topic that often comes up in university courses, coding interviews, and even in compiler design. If you have ever wondered how calculators or compilers handle expression like a plus b multiplication c, this is exactly how they do it under the hood. In this video, I will start by writing the code to convert an infix comparison, which is the form we normally write math into a postfix expression, which is easier for machines to evaluate. Then I will evaluate the postfix expression using a stack step by step. I will explain each line of code clearly so that by the end of the video you will fully understand how these algorithms work. Alright, let's get started by reading the code. I was write it in here, and then let's start with import Java util. We begin by importing the stack class from Java's utilities library. Then we define our class expression converter. All of our methods will go inside this class. We don't need to define a new stack for struct. Java already provides us with a stack implementation. Okay, and then I will explain in here. This function is very important. It tells us the predicance level of each operator. For example, in math, multiplication has higher precedence than addition. So here plus and minus return 1, meaning low precedence, and multiplication and division return 2, and the power operation is returning 3, which is the highest among them. Okay, let's continue with here. This method converts an infix expression to postfix. We use a string builder to build the result efficiently, and a stack to temporarily hold operators. And for loops, we loop through the expression one character at a time. We are going to look at each character and decide what to do with it. Sorry, teacher, there was a small problem. Now let's continue. Let's continue with if method. If the character is a number or a variable like a, b, or 3, we directly add it to our result because operands appear first in postfix. If it is an opening parenthesis, we push it onto the stack. This will help us later on handle everything inside the parenthesis as a unit. And when we reach a closing parenthesis, we pop everything from the stack until we hit the opening one. This ensures operators inside the parentheses get processed first. And if it is a regular operator, plus, minus, multiplication or division, We compare it to the operator on top of the stack, and then let's continue with while loop. At the end, when make sure to pop any remaining operators from the stack into the result. And let's continue with evaluate postfix. This method will evaluate a postfix expression with numbers. We will use a stack again, this time to store integer. And here has for loop. We loop throughout every character in the postfix expression. If it is a digit, we convert it to an integer and push it. And if it is an operator, we pop the last two values. Value 1 is the second to last value, and value 2 is the last value pushed. And then here has switch case method. Okay, and then returning stack point pop. We apply the operator, push the result back to the stack, and in the end we return the final result. And then testing in main method. Here has writing main method and then running. Now we test everything. First we convert the expression a plus b multiplication c to postfix. That should give ab plus c multiplication. Then we evaluate the postfix expression. Let's break it down. So the result is 17 point perfect. And then let's running. And I'm running. Oops. What's writing? Income types char cannot be converted to boolean. Where is your what's that? Okay. And then let's running again. What? Oha. Sorry. Oh. Okay. Okay. I found the error, and then let's again running. Okay. Postfix is this one, and then result is 70. Okay, so in this video we built a complete Java program that and converts infix expression to postfix form, evaluates postfix expression using a stack, and again I'm checking if I forgot anything. I will explain. Okay. Okay, we wrote everything from scratch, explained every line, and run the program with real examples. And then this output is this one. Okay, teacher, that's enough for today, and thanks for listening. See you next week. Have a good day. Bye bye.